Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. So today we'll continue what we have completed yesterday. Was we have created a Google account. We created the free sign-in Google Workspace. We created one instance. So today we will create a platform where we will open that Google instance or the VM Google instance which we have been created in our last video. So let's start it. So first open Google, and here right you can write Google Cloud login as usual what we have done in the last part. Click sign up for free, and as we already given our Google email ID and password, so no need to give the same thing again and again. It will open. Just click on go to console. Alright, so here you need to write compute engine so this is the page where you can see whatever the instances you have been created till the time, and you can proceed with the work. So yesterday we have created the last part. We have created this instance. So we'll start it. So let's make it another instance will create. Let's do it from the first. Let me delete it, which we have been created in the last part, and today we'll create a fresh one which will be easy for us to understand, and we'll open that instance in another platform that I will let you know how to open that platform. Okay, it's been deleted. Now just select the create instance. Alright, here we will write WinServer, WinServe, or you can write Windows slash will not work here. Windows is okay. Yes. So next you need to be select any of the region. Let me select Asia East one, and the zone will be automatically come. If you want to change, then you can also change the zone. I'll let you know in the later of the videos what is the reason of the using of this region and zone. Next, as I already said, you need to customize the CPU things or the configuration. Here you need to be select the custom, and let's make two CPUs. Let's make two CPUs and give memory as 6 GB. Okay, so now you need to select the operating system. Here you need to be select Windows Server based on your requirements. So as we are configuring on Windows Server, so we need to select the operating system as Windows Server, and here let's select Windows Server 2016 data center. So boot disk type and the size is fine, is 50 GB. So let's proceed to create that instance. Here you need to select both the option, allow HTTP traffic, allow HTTPS traffic, then click on create. So see here that Windows Server VM instance is creating. Yes, it's created now. So now the thing is, here this you can able to see there is two IPs are there. One is 10.140.0.4 and another one is 34.80.211.226. So this is known as internal IP and this is known as external IP. So using this IP you can configure the server in another platform, or you can say that is the GUI. Using that GUI you can able to enter into the Windows Server to configure the rest of the things, like you can install the Active Directory, you can install the domains DNS, you can install or configure the DHCP, all these stuffs you can do. So this part is clear till this time, till this topic. Hope you all have been cleared. So next, let's minimize this. Now we need to open a platform or GUI where we will open or you can enter into this Windows platform. So you can write here in Google remote desktop manager 2.7 download. So if you select this, it will open the page. You can click on this option and you can download and install remote desktop connection manager 2.7. So I already been downloaded that .exe file, and it's been already installed in my system. Right, let me minimize this. Once the remote desktop manager has installed successfully, you need to be right here, remote desktop connection manager. If you write this on the search bar, automatically it will come. Please click on this. So once it will be opened, the page will be looks like this. So already I have been created this, so I'll show you a fresh connection. Here the page will be like this, very simple. Now move to the next page where we have been created an instance, VM instances Windows. Here there is two IPs are there. One is the internal IP and another one is the external IP. And using that external IP, we can enter into that VM instance. So let's create file. Click on this is what I have been created. You can create a art server. Here you're asking for the server name. In place of the server name, you have to give this global IP, or this is the external IP. So using this external IP, you can able to connect with this VM instance in your local system. What should be the display name? It's better to give this Windows, as it's easy to identify. Let me write it Windows. Right, then click on add. So once it has been added, you need to be saved. Else in the next page and the next time, if you'll try to open this remote desktop connection manager, it might not reflect again if you are not saving this. So better to do save all. So now click on Windows. It's trying to connect. It's connecting to the Windows. Okay, so here is asking for the user ID and password to enter into that environment or enter into that your Windows server. How to do this next? You can click on reset. There is a option. So now you come to the console page. On this particular option, you need to be select on RDP. You need to be select set Windows password. Select on this. So here I am just giving the name as user. Right, so I have been created the name as user. Click on set. So which will help us, once you click on set, it will create a password. Okay, now come to the console page. Here give the name as user and the password which has already been created. Please copy the password and paste it here and try to log in. It will enter into the VM instance. It's opening. It will take little time to open the page. Let's wait for some time. Yeah, it's been created and it's been opened now. So now what we have to do, we need to reset the password so that you can, this is the user account which has been created. So now here we can reset the password. How can we reset the password? I'll just inform you. I can tell you within a minute. Let's open the page properly, then we can start. So now the page has been opened properly, and this is the page. This is our instance, and this is the remote desktop manager. Using that remote desktop manager, and we have reset the ID and password. Now we have been entered into the page of the Windows server. So here it's been written here, server is a server manager dashboard. Here you can see a lot of things, that there are roles feature, or other servers to manage, create server group, connect the server to the cloud services. Now you need to reset the administrator ID and password. How can you do? Open the command run option. Here you need to write compmgmt.msc computer management.msc. click on enter. It will open the page of computer management. The computer management is the page where you can find all the user and groups in primarily without even that Active Directory, the domain control has not been installed. That this is the primary page where you can able to reset the passwords. If you click on user, this is the user which we have been created. We need to reset the password. Why? Because this was before that it was the VM instance created password, which was difficult to remember. So we need to be reset the password as per our wish. So let me reset it. Okay, so so we need to give the password case sensitive and alphanumeric. Alright, the password has been set. So now the user password has been set, but we cannot enter into the that server instance using that user credentials every time. So we need to reset the administrator credentials as well. So let's reset it. I have reset the password. Again, I have reset the password. Click on OK. Oh, there's a mismatch in the password. Let me retype it. Right, now the next step is, once you reset the administrator password, click on properties, and here you need to be select account is disabled. Here you need to be uncheck this and click on apply and OK. Right, what you need to do, let's close this. So administrator password has been reset, and then we'll start to configure the domain controller and DHCP server, DNS server one by one, everything in the cloud instance. So let me close this, click on this, select, okay, this is the instance. Click on this, click on disconnect. Alright, so once you select disconnect, it will be disconnected from the remote desktop connection manager. You need to remember, before login to the every time before login to the VMware instance, always you need to be check the external IP. See here, the external IP is 34.80.211.226. Parallelly, in the same time, you need to select the external IP of the Google instance, VM instance. So if the IPs are same, then it will be connect. Sometimes it might not be connected. You will get that connection error. At that time you need to check the external IP and we need to match with the same IP. If both are same, then it's okay. If sometimes what happen, as the Google instance environment is, the IPs are assigned dynamically and each time the IPs are changing. So you need to be keep it in mind before connecting. You need to check that IP address. If the IP address has been changed, then you need to be put the changed IP address in the remote desktop connection manager and click on OK and set to proceed further. Alright, so click on OK on this. Let me log in again. Connect server. Here you need to give the administrator, and we have reset the password using compmg mt.msc. and you have to give the password. Let's wait for some time. Yes, so now we can able to enter into the Windows Server 2016 platform using that administrator credentials. It's been successfully configured. The same way you can do at your home, which is very simple and easy, and you can explore more things inside the server and as well as in the other various kind of platform to explore your knowledge. I hope that it will give you a basic idea how to use the Google instance at your personal system at your home, so that you could research and you could do small practice in your at your home, which will be helpful for your daily work in your professional career as well. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe this, and if you want, then I will give more videos, and I'll help you to understand and how to configure the roles and features of Windows Server in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.